So, lunchtime, you know. And me I got top choice today. Top choice I start the vlog. I saw them up. Boiled fry, fried chicken. Alright. Alright. See it there? Hello?
Hello.
Hi, how you doing? You have stew pork? You can get a medium stew pork. Alright, so if you hear me talk about top choice, I have something I always talk about, see? Batman, where you run go?
My mom's outside. She got something to call. She said she gotta look to see something in the car.
Okay, alright, do. Hey, please, me I beg you. Don't give me no ginger hide under the pork here. Please. Look how that look good. Merciful Father. Whoa. Yeah. I see my lunch there. Ready for the road. Whoa. Whoa. Yes, I. Murder the food there now, cause from yesterday, I don't eat nothing. Today, I one of them day there. Get me here done. Start my weekend. Yes, I. Everybody say hi to April. She alone, me trusting on my ear in America. Right, that's some ear enough. Anyways. You know what? Hey, alright. So me now I'm there, I watch James Bond. Yeah. This me I work with for the weekend. But me I got a barber now. Hey, it cold. Jesus Christ. No, not in here cold. The place just cold. Yeah. So me there I watch James Bond and I like me now want to live for people in the yard, you know. You understand? Anyways, so me here, yeah. You know, if we go get a shape up now at the barber shop, and that is it. When I know I get on a year done, if you're not there in the Bronx, yeah man, I can link up April, you know, ask for April on Instagram. Yeah. She will find, you know, she will come out on a place to condone a year. You don't know, she have her boot and thing, but show me now when I'm going on somebody place. Me just link up on irons. See it? Yeah. Yeah, me like how me look. I go get a shape up now. Oh no, we see that too. I don't think we can check my barber from the year start, you know. Happy New Year. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas.
Yes.
Me not saw no from last year. From last year. Auntie, Happy New Year. Alright. I am here. Them let me in back in them place. Me have to marry, you know, because nobody now make me marry. Alright, me ready to take a shape up now. Yeah. Jerry, I fix things you know. See it there? I want to look funny, you know, because I see finished product. Before or after. I'm a wicked. And the rest of them wicked, yeah, man. Hey, you don't listen to my barber shop chat, you know. Just watch how you shape up a forward. Yeah, man, see it there? But set up things, you know. She boss someone. Boss now give me no look, you see no. Yeah man, from last year, but that's how you go.
Come in.
Yeah, that's how you go. Everything
Every
good.
time you come, I'm glad to see you, see you.
Yes,
So get the best cut, see you.
good. That is it. If you don't want to know if you come cut to the year, if you're not there in the Bronx. Yeah man, you're not far. You're right us up on Gun Hill. Yeah, Razor Express. See, I am trim talented for RFB. Auntie a bus braids down this about me now video. I don't know what it's mega do, but I'm not going to watch.
2 hours later.
See, Life of DJ Blazer continue right now. Uncle Dale have me all about the place. Let me send it to you. So, right now we are going to fix up one screen. So this is my little computer, keyboard. We are going to update one of the screen them in a restaurant. Yeah, man, good man. Alright. Update the screen here. Now, see it here now. White Plains Road this, you know. The little time I come down and watch you now. Have your excitement to go on the block. Be a police activity. See it there? Something I go on down here. I'm here come fast. Rastafari.
How you doing, big guy?
How you doing? How you doing?
Good to see you.
All right. See it here? Yeah, man. Place active, you know. White Plains Road. Anything can go on, boy. Yeah. That's how I know it. Go buy a drink and go me yard. Yep. Get me soda. No. Go on me yard. Something go on. I don't know. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Eh? Alright. See, I back a police carrying a little man, you know, so we don't know how I go on. If they get a tip or what, we don't know, but something go on. Yeah, something go on. I'm gonna go to my yard. That is it. I'm maybe tell you. Them get some tips. Something go on. Lock up already. Alright, so me just get some chicken from Rackatone, you know. Yeah, fried chicken, nice. Rackatone. Don't know. But as me say. Oh, thank you very much. Alright. Yeah man, little more. Outside, you know.
The next day.
Okay, not now, go on. While police left. Yeah, everybody a pass. Maybe. Then get wrong in.
Good boy. Hey, snatch!
Don't test like a fool, don't test.
Don't test like a fool, don't test. Don't test like a fool, don't test. Guys, I've been here for a press. Wrap on my waist. Force back. One skin like force back.
My body song.
I don't care what them want to say. Them gonna pull on lyrics like dictionary and the body song done.
And why you dirty voice in that video? This is after work. I didn't even record one part of the party tonight. I don't know why, but big snowstorm this weekend. But the mix is gonna be on SoundCloud. So I can check my SoundCloud if you want to go on another party tonight. Pineapple Fridays. I'm gonna go on my bed and let's see if I record any more things for this weekend. Big snowstorm forward.
The next day.
So, because of this storm here, right now, be a confusion, but me there one party right now. Me play for Ukrainian lady. Her husband Hispanic. So it's gonna be a very interesting event. Yeah. The night before the start. Alright.
And everything. I wish you the best. Many more years, baby. And I love you so much. Cheers, baby. Cheers. Cheers, guys.
Yes, cheers! Another day, another dollar, another customer well pleased. I want to take time off to pick up Matthew from Supreme Shots. You understand? And him get them footage from respect. So we can add it to the vlog so the people them can see what go on. You understand? It's a 50th birthday party and the birthday lady really enjoy herself. Take a look for herself. Yeah. And if you made this far in the vlog, just make sure to like, subscribe, and also share. And most importantly, comment people. I want to know what I think, I want to know the vibe, I want to know which part of the video I like. You understand? That's all me asking of you do. Please and thanks.
The following day.
Winter storm a go on. Just I come from out there freezing. Freezing. It's a winter wonderland. Come my foot. Ooh. Good. Yeah. Woo. Me no mind the winter, you know, but January start, the whole heap of snow, me hate the whole heap of snow. You ever drive in the snow yet? But if you clean the snow, when it just fall, yeah, it's nice to clean. Now if you want to release the stress, burn some extra calories, you want shovel up the snow, you know. Never that bad at all, but a long time in the experience on winter with so much snow. And when I say so much snow, look here. Luckily, you know me love my gadgets. So me have the snow blower there. And I use and I terrorize the whole heap of snow we fall in a yard, you know. Clean up a yard and things. So my neighbor then get chucked, him lazy. So him not deal with that, but me want to use a snow blower and clean up the place, you know. Saving myself a bunch of money, you know. But anyways, life of DJ Blazer continues in the snowstorm. And me have a ball. I clean up my yard and I clean up the snow. Cause right after that snow there, we're supposed to expect more snow. So if you're in the snow and I watch this, be safe. If you're not in the snow, big up yourself, same way. Just keep it locked. Life of DJ Blazer continues in the snow. Now me inside the edit to finish up the vlog so uno can see it before the snow done fall, but me see food a cook so me go look. Oh, what kind of shrimp? Oh, what this?
No, your food is right there. It's
Oh,
chili chicken.
come here say
It's real pasta.
Go on. So me I guess this a for me.
Yes.
Alright then.
Chicken.
Hope you enjoy the vlog. Like, subscribe and share and all of the full works. Yeah. One might catch me over TikTok like more too.